it's because I'm really loud.
No offense.
I want my book.
But like. What's call it a week?
Oh, did we get the receipt from Puritan ice cream?
It was on the bag.
That's like my life goal.
Bag's still out there, you think?
Why do I have to?
Really?
I've like never had a semester where I've had this much to do or this early on. It's not even classes. It's like
That's not real. Have you guys heard someone say that to you before? Like 42 while going away, Sydney. I've heard that. They think they're funny. Like when I know. But I'm just saying someone's not doing work. I don't think it's original. When like it was really funny. No, I thought it was original when I heard it the first time. When you said it, I was like, oh. No, like they interviewed someone and they said that they were like, is your address still 42 Wallaby Way, Sydney?
Yeah, and then he was like, do you work at Dunkin'?
crying.
That's funny.
Huh?
I thought it was funny.
No, you're great.
It's fair.